Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix CarPlay not working issue on iPhone in iOS 17. So guys, if you're expressing issue with your CarPlay not working on your iPhone after updating to the latest version of iOS 17 and looking for a fix, so you're in the right video. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to fix CarPlay not working issue. So guys, first of all you have to do is check CarPlay capability. Ensure that your car's infotainment system is compatible with the version of iOS you are using. Sometimes older car models may not fully support the latest iOS features. After this, then you have to do is check cable connection. Ensure that you are using a genuine Apple Lightning cable, as third-party cables may not work reliably. Also make sure the cable is securely connected to both your iPhone and the CarPlay USB port. If this doesn't work, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. Try restarting your iPhone to refresh its system. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. To restart your iPhone, you have to open your settings, scroll down and then tap on General. Again scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is simply restart your car. To restart your car, you can simply switch it off and then switch on it again. After this, then you have to do is check your restriction. Ensure that your CarPlay is not restricted on your iPhone. To check this, you have to open your settings, tap on your screen time, scroll down and then tap on content and privacy restriction, then go to allowed apps. You have to ensure that CarPlay is enabled. If it's disabled, then you have to make sure that it's enabled. After this, then you have to do is update your iOS version. If an iOS update is available, install it. Update often include bug fixes and improvement that can address compatibility issues. So you have to go back and tap on General, tap on Software Update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. After trying this all solution and you're still facing the issue again and again, then I will suggest you to do reset your network settings. To do this, you have to scroll down and then tap on Transfer Reset iPhone, tap on Reset Network Settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.